Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is how to test a defective transistor. So here is the sample of BJT transistor which is D882P, as we can see. So at first, let's identify the pin configuration of this transistor. So in the first pin is the emitter, the center pin, collector. The third pin is the base, and then which is in transistor. Okay, let's start the test. So at first, let's calibrate the multimeter here at this mode, transistor and diode test. Let's start the test. So since the third pin is the base, this is in transistor, let's put negative test probe to the third pin, to the base, and then the weight in the emitter, in the first pin. So as you can see, the reading is infinite 0, and there is a long beep, continuous beep. So the emitter and base is shorted, base emitter shorted. Next, let's test the emitter to collector, the first pin and the center pin. So as we can see again, there's a long beep and almost the reading is almost infinite 0. So this is shorted. The emitter to collector is shorted. And then the center pin, collector to base. Let's test. Collector to base. Collector base. So here's the reading. Almost infinite 0, and there is a long beep. So meaning if there's a long beep, this is shorted. Even we will test in inverse. We'll inverse the test probe. It's the same reading, almost infinite 0, and then the long beep still. This is shorted. So if even collector base, emitter base. So this is shorted transistor. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.